So congratulations for making it up until the end of this course. I'm super honored that you didn't only enroll and viewed like some lessons, you consumed the whole course. And this again means a lot to me. Now, in this course, we analyzed all of these different AI tools you can leverage for your content production journey. And again, the AI scene in content creation is evolving exponentially every single month, if not every single week. Again, the all of the elements that we analyzed in this course right here and these past few lessons just weren't available 2 months or 3 months ago. And as a small gift for you for making it throughout the whole course and consuming the whole content, I would like to offer you a discount on my one-on-one consulting services. So if you want an audit on your content creation and your content production workflow with AI, you can book a call with me right here on Skillshare, and I can help you on a one-on-one basis to again go through your content production journey, go through the bottlenecks that you're facing, and solve some of your problems. And I would love to offer you a small discount on that. Now, stay tuned for the short form AI content production masterclass that I'm already have started producing, and I'm going to see you in the next course that I create. Thank you so much for being here.